My name is Ram. I'm from Gurgaon. It's been 2 years since I've had my hair transplant. And back in Feb 2022, when I had my hair transplant, I feel that was the best decision I took in my life. I was quite apprehensive about the procedure, the results. But when I walked into Medlinks and met Dr. Gaurang and his team, they put all my fears to rest and gave me confidence what magic the hair transplant can do. And as you can see, I'm a changed man, and it's given me back my confidence, and it's rolled back my age by about 15 years, and it's really changed my life. So the grafts that you see here, I had about 3,500 grafts in one sitting. As you can see, I still have a crown area that's yet to be done. So I plan to be back to get the crown area completed, and I'm looking forward to that experience, because after the results I've seen from the front grafts, and I'm just waiting to see the magic for the crown area. For those of you who are still undecided whether to go in for hair transplant, I would suggest you should go in for hair transplant, because you see the result in front of you.